Here's a quick hack for you. Just came back from visiting the art store, and they sell these really beautiful stainless steel paint um, holders, paintbrush holders that you can store your brushes in while you're working, and just put that into a solution of walnut oil or thinner or whatever you want to carry with you. Anyways, this little container was this little pot, I guess it's called. Had a lid on it that you could seal up and everything if you're moving from one location to another. And this device was like $60 without taxes. And I thought, wow, $60. So basically, it was a stainless steel tin, but here's a coffee tin, basically recycled free, and I have the lid in the bottom here that I'll keep handy if I want to close it. And so what I've got here is some plumbing strapping, and I've unraveled it a bit, right? I just cut the center out of it, and so I'm going to put that inside this tin, and that'll work as my grate for cleaning my brush when I'm trying to get the paint out of it. And I'm just going to put some walnut oil in there, and so I'll just have it up to about here. And so it's the tip. Basically, I'm just trying to keep my brushes wet and a little bit clean while I'm using them. And so I got some walnut oil over here. So I'll put this together, and I'll take another picture of it so I can take a look at it. So I got the grate in the bottom of the oil there, oil can. So it's just that plumbing strapping just uncoiled a bit and just stuck on the bottom. And what I've done is I've taken some of this what do you call this? It's like a putty that you buy from the dollar store. It's used for like tack putty, and used for sticking. I use it for sticking like paper on the wall, like a painting or whatever. I just want to look at it, and so I put that around the edge here. Just pressed it on, and basically that holds my brush in place. So I just take that off, and basically there's my brush. And yeah, so it's cool. So yeah, the way it works is basically when you're using your brush, you just stick it in there and then just basically rub the paint off, and that falls to the bottom of the can. The paint, well, it gets dissolved basically in the oil, but it will settle at the bottom, and then once it settles, you can pour the oil off into another vessel and then clean up the paint sludge that's in the bottom of the can.